Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Piping Bags is probably one of the most versatile tools in any baker's arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned pastry chef or a home baking enthusiast, having the right piping bags and tips can elevate your creations from simple to stunning. In this video, we'll dive into the world of piping bags, exploring different types, materials, and tips to help you choose the perfect set for your needs. Number 5. RFAQK Cake Decorating Kit with 48 Tips. Are you ready to decorate cakes like a pro? This complete baking supplies set includes everything you need. It's perfect for beginners and experienced bakers alike. This set features 48 numbered icing tips made of stainless steel. They come in various styles, allowing you to create diverse and beautiful designs. With these, you can elevate your cake decorating skills. If you're new to cake decorating, this is the perfect set for you. It includes a pattern chart booklet, so you know exactly which tip to use for each design. This makes it easy to create stunning cakes. Looking for a great gift? This icing bags and tip set is ideal for birthdays, weddings, and other special events. It's a thoughtful present for anyone who loves to bake. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues, we'll solve them within 24 hours. We want you to love this product. What we like? This set is perfect for those just starting out. It includes numbered tips and a pattern chart, making it easy to learn different designs. If you are a beginner looking to decorate cakes without the guesswork, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Amazing quality, and I like that came with a booklet with different ways to use the tips. The 48 numbered piping tips are sturdy, well-made, and easy to use. The piping bags are thick and didn't burst, even with stiff buttercream. I like the storage box and extra tools. It keeps everything organized. Number 4. RFAQK Cake Decorating Kit. Tired of basic cakes? This kit has everything you need to decorate like a pro. It includes a cake stand, various icing tips, spatulas, and more to get you started. This comprehensive set includes over 110 piping bags and 55 icing tips. You'll also find essential tools like a cake leveler and scrapers. It's perfect for beginners and experienced bakers. The revolving turntable makes decorating easy. It rotates smoothly, helping you create beautiful designs. It's non-stick and dishwasher safe, making it simple to use and clean. The kit features a selection of icing tips for various designs. You can create swirls, rosettes, and flowers with ease. These tips will help you achieve professional-looking results. It includes spatulas and scrapers for smoothing icing. The colors allow you to change tips quickly. The included brush helps with cleaning. It has everything you need for a perfect finish. Don't know where to begin? An ebook guide is included to help you. If you have any questions, customer service is available 24/7 to assist you. What we like? This kit is a game changer with its revolving cake turntable, making decorating a breeze. It also includes Korean ruffle tips for creating beautiful designs. If you are looking for a comprehensive set that simplifies the decorating process, this is the one for you. What people say. The piping bags are easy to use. The tips are great and work well. The bags are sturdy and don't rip easily. Number 3. Prestee 12-inch Tipless Piping Bags, 200 count. These 12-inch pastry bags are made from durable, food-grade plastic. They are designed to resist bursting, ensuring a smooth and reliable icing experience for all your baked goods. The exterior features a textured surface for a secure grip. This design enhances control during decorating, while the smooth interior allows the icing to flow effortlessly. These tipless piping bags simplify the decorating process. They are ideal for intricate designs and make cleanup easy, saving you time and effort. The 12-inch size accommodates a variety of frosting types and quantities. It's suitable for both detailed work and covering larger surfaces on your cakes and pastries. This set includes 200 disposable piping bags. It provides an ample supply for all your baking projects, whether you're a professional baker or a home enthusiast. What we like? These tipless bags offer simplicity and convenience for detailed work. The textured grip ensures control, and the bulk pack is perfect for multiple projects. If you like intricate designs and easy cleanup, you'll love this product. What people say. The piping bags are easy to use and clean. The tips are great for decorating cakes and cookies. The variety of tips is perfect for different designs. Number 2. Cake Decorating Kit with Turntable, 137 PCS. This cake decorating kit is perfect for beginners. The set includes numbered piping tips and a pattern chart, so you can easily create beautiful decorations. The user guide provides step-by-step instructions for baking and icing cakes. The cake turntable stand revolves smoothly, making it easy to decorate cakes. It rotates clockwise and counterclockwise, suitable for both right and left-handed users. Use the spatulas to ice the cake while rotating the turntable. This cake set includes scrapers, nozzles, a syringe, and a cake cutter. It also comes with flour nails, a flour lifter, and disposable bags. You'll love learning to perfect and master these must-have items. Share the fun with friends and family. Whether you're lettering or creating frosting swirls, these fondant tools make decorating easy. You can decorate cupcakes, pies, desserts, and pastries with ease. It helps you to create tasty treats. The kit includes 63 tips, including round, leaf, petal, and star tips. They are made of 304 grade stainless steel and come with a reusable storage case. These tips allow you to create various designs. This kit includes 14 base molds that can print graphics and patterns on cakes. You can directly carve on the surface of the cake. Use it before baking to add unique designs to your cakes. What we like. This kit is designed for all skill levels, with numbered tips and a pattern chart to guide you. The revolving turntable makes decorating easy, and the fondant mold adds extra fun. If you are looking for a fun and versatile kit for all ages, consider this one. What people say. The piping bags are easy to use. The tips are great and work well. The bags are sturdy and don't rip easily. Number 1. Wilton 20-piece Buttercream Decorating Kit. Are you ready to start decorating? This kit is perfect for beginners. It helps you learn and practice all kinds of piping designs. This Wilton decorating set is a great starter kit. It's designed for aspiring decorators to create amazing cakes and sweet treats. The piping tips in this kit are made of durable stainless steel. The disposable bags are made of plastic, making it easy to clean up. The tips are dishwasher safe for your convenience. For best results, wash them in warm, soapy water before and after each use. The kit includes 10 decorating tips, such as round, star, petal, specialty, and leaf tips. It also comes with 10 disposable decorating bags and illustrated icing techniques. What we like. This set is a great starting point for aspiring decorators. It includes essential tools and disposable bags for easy cleanup. If you are a beginner looking to explore buttercream decorating, it's a great choice. What people say. The piping bags are easy to use. The tips are great for decorating cakes and cookies. The bags are sturdy and don't tear easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.